Greetings, adventurers! Today, we embark on an unforgettable journey to the unveiled world of South America, a continent that's a melting pot of diverse cultures, languages, and traditions, a land where the mighty Amazon River carves its course, where the majestic Andes reach for the sky, and vibrant cities pulse with life and color. South America is an enchanting blend of breathtaking landscapes, from lush rainforests to arid deserts, from sunny beaches to snow-capped peaks. It's a place where ancient history and modernity coexist, where the rhythm of salsa and the tranquility of nature resonate in harmony. Each corner of this continent presents an exciting adventure, be it trekking through the cloud forests, exploring ancient ruins, or diving into the rich marine life. A journey through South America is not just about discovering new places, it's about experiencing life in all its colors, flavors, and rhythms. So strap on your adventure gear and prepare to uncover the hidden gems of South America. Our first stop is the heart of South America, the Amazon rainforest. This vast expanse of green, a sprawling patchwork of ecosystems, is a testament to the raw, untamed power of nature. Stretching over a staggering 2.5 million square miles, the Amazon rainforest is a world unto itself, teeming with an array of life that is unparalleled anywhere else on Earth. Imagine a place where a single hectare can house over 400 species of trees, a place where the air is thick with the symphony of countless insects, the calls of birds, and the rustle of unseen creatures. This is the Amazon, a place where biodiversity reaches its zenith. From the minute yet mighty leafcutter ants to the majestic jaguars that roam the forest floor, the Amazon is a treasure trove of unique species. It's a place where every turn can reveal a creature or a plant that you've never seen before, a testament to the unending wonder of our natural world. But the Amazon isn't just a forest. It's also a river, a mighty river that snakes its way through 9 countries, a life-giving artery that sustains countless communities and ecosystems. The Amazon River is the lifeblood of the rainforest, providing essential nutrients to the flora and fauna that call this place home. Communities along the river rely on it for food, transportation, and a connection to the rest of the world. It's a river that gives as much as it takes, a river that is as much a part of the landscape as the trees that tower above it. The Amazon rainforest is more than just a collection of trees and animals. It's a living, breathing testament to the beauty and diversity of our planet. It's a place where every day is a new discovery, a new adventure. It's a place that reminds us of the importance of conservation, of respecting and protecting the world we live in. The Amazon is truly a testament to nature's grandeur, but our journey has only just begun. Leaving the dense greenery of the Amazon, we ascend to the towering peaks of the Andes. Imagine standing atop a mountain peak, the wind whipping at your face, the chill seeping into your bones, but the awe-inspiring vista before you, making it all worth it. This is the Andes, a mountain range that stretches the length of South America, reaching its zenith in Argentina and Chile. Its breathtaking views are a sight to behold, with snow-capped peaks, lush green valleys, and crystalline blue lakes that reflect the clear skies above. But the Andes is not just about its majestic landscapes. It is also home to a diverse array of wildlife that have adapted to the harsh conditions of high-altitude living. From the Andean condor, soaring high above the peaks, to the elusive spectacled bear, the only bear species in South America, and the vicuna, a relative of the llama known for its fine wool, the Andes is a treasure trove of biodiversity. Yet, what truly sets the Andes apart is its rich cultural history. This mountain range was the cradle of the ancient Inca civilization, one of the most advanced pre-Columbian societies. The Incas were master builders, constructing vast cities and fortresses from stone, the most famous of which is Machu Picchu. Nestled high in the Andean peaks, this ancient city is a testament to Inca ingenuity and resilience, a place where the past and the present collide in a beautiful symphony of stone and sky. The Andes is more than just a mountain range. It is a testament to the resilience of life, a showcase of nature's enduring beauty and a monument to human tenacity and ingenuity. It is a place where one can truly feel on top of the world, where the air is thin, the views are limitless, and the sense of adventure is palpable. From the heights of the Andes, we now descend to the vibrant cities of South America. Welcome to the bustling metropolises of South America, where ancient tradition meets modern life. These cities are a testament to the continent's ability to blend the old with the new, creating a unique cultural tapestry that is at once fascinating and awe-inspiring. Let's start with Buenos Aires, the capital of Argentina, often referred to as the Paris of South America. Here, architectural marvels stand shoulder to shoulder with vibrant street art, creating an urban landscape as diverse as its people. The city is also home to the annual Tango Festival, where the sultry moves of this classic dance are celebrated in grand style. Imagine the city streets pulsating with the rhythm of the music and the energy of the dancers, all under the soft glow of the setting sun. Next, we fly to Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, a city that needs no introduction. Famous for its iconic Christ, the Redeemer statue, Rio is a city that never sleeps. Its vibrant nightlife is as exciting as its daytime attractions. And who can forget the Rio Carnival, a festival of color, music, and dance that captivates the world every year. This is a city that knows how to celebrate life in all its forms. Finally, we journey to Santiago, Chile's capital and largest city. Nestled between the Andes and the Chilean coastal range, Santiago offers a unique blend of natural beauty and urban sophistication. Its cultural diversity is evident in its cuisine, music, and art, making it a city that truly represents the spirit of South America. These are just a few examples of the vibrant cities that pepper the South American landscape. Each one is a melting pot of cultures, ideas, and experiences, offering a unique perspective on this fascinating continent. These cities pulse with life, but now it's time to explore the serene beauty of South America's coasts. Let's now feel the cool breeze of the South American coasts. Imagine the gentle rhythm of crashing waves, the soft golden sands tickling your toes, and the sun setting in a riot of colors over the horizon. This is the allure of Brazil's stunning beaches, from the world-renowned Copacabana to the secluded Praias do Pontal do Atalaia. Each beach tells a tale of its own. These beaches are not just about relaxation, they're also the perfect spots for adrenaline-filled activities like surfing and beach volleyball. But the coastal wonders of South America don't end there. Picture a place where sea lions bask lazily on sun-warmed rocks, where giant tortoises lumber through the undergrowth, and where colorful birds soar against the backdrop of a clear blue sky. This is the Galapagos Islands, a place teeming with unique wildlife, a living testament to the magic of evolution. The islands offer thrilling opportunities for snorkeling, where you can share the waters with playful sea lions, elegant manta rays, and even the occasional shark. Now, let's wander through the charming coastal towns. Stroll down the cobblestone streets of Paraty in Brazil, a town that feels like it's been frozen in time. Explore the vibrant markets of Cartagena in Colombia, where every corner is a burst of color and culture. These towns, with their colonial architecture and rich history, are a delight for every traveler. But it's not just about the sights, it's about the experiences too. Try your hand at surfing in the swells of Montanita, Ecuador. Go wildlife spotting in the Galapagos. Dine al fresco in a beachside restaurant, savoring the fresh seafood while the cool ocean breeze ruffles your hair. These coastal wonders, with their breathtaking beauty and thrilling adventures, capture the essence of South America. They're a testament to the continent's diversity, a testament to its allure, and a testament to its irresistible charm. From the heart of the Amazon to the peaks of the Andes, through vibrant cities and serene coasts, we've embarked on an unforgettable journey. And so, our South American adventure draws to a close. We've journeyed through the dense, untamed wilderness of the mighty Amazon, marveling at its unparalleled biodiversity. We've climbed the staggering heights of the Andes, where the air is thin and the vistas are breathtaking. We've danced through the vibrant, pulsating cities, each infused with its own unique rhythm and culture. We've basked in the sun-soaked beauty of the coast, where the ocean greets the land with a gentle caress. Each step of our journey has been a revelation, a new chapter in our understanding of this magnificent continent. But remember, we've only just scratched the surface. South America holds many more wonders waiting to be discovered by those brave enough to venture off the beaten path. Until next time, keep exploring, keep adventuring, and always remember, the world is yours to unveil. Farewell, adventurers.